Are you kidding? This is my homework assignment video on how to find density. Mass divided by volume. Mass is in grams and the volume is in milliliters. The first thing we're gonna find the density of is this marble. I filled the graduated cylinder up to 50 milliliters. Camera shot much? Yep, that's me. I found the mass for the marble. 5 and 6 grams. And the way we're going to find the volume is we're going to put the marble in the graduated cylinder, subtract, plop. It is definitely not floating. So if it's not floating, then density is higher than 1. Yeah, that's it. So, yeah, the marble made it go to 51 milliliters. So you take 51 minus 50, so you get 1. And then, since that's the volume, you put that outside the box. You put the mass, which is 6 grams, inside the box, and then you divide. So the density of this marble is 6. Oh, perfect. Not really, but it's still okay. I'm just gonna guess. I'm just gonna make an estimate what the density might be. But in science class, I remember this. If it had more room, like more water was in it, would it float? Let's test it out. It still sinks all the way. Huh, wow. The density is definitely more than 1. I'm writing this all down because that's important when you're a scientist. Some butter. Yes, that sounds like a great idea. Let's find the density of butter. Would it float or would it sink? Ah, the butter just flew out! Don't worry, folks, I have more butter. I'm pretty sure the butter would sink, though. This is how you open butter packets. And try to find the density. Will it float or will it sink? It floats. That's the butter, yeah. It's like 1/4 of it is above the water. 0.75 would be the density. That's just a guess. Brother Miles has joined me. Woo! Okay, Miles, do you know what density is?
Not much.
You know what the word dense means, right? How dense an object is?
Yeah, how thick it is?
Sort of.
Yeah. A pumpkin in a huge bucket.
Yeah, and then see if it floats or not. Yeah, that's like measuring the density. See the density of olive oil? So if it floats on top of the water, then that means the density is less than 1. But if it sinks, then the density is more than 1. Does that make sense? Is it floating or sinking?
Floating. It looks like the shot glass from Sherlock Holmes, the show.
Beers, please. Pints, 443.7 milliliters.
Yeah, you're right, Miles.
Oh, it's going down.
It sinks. So the density is more than 1. Whoa, it looks like a lava lamp. That's so cool. Oh boy, that was too fast. But look, the oil is just like going to the top, and the maple syrup like dragged it down, sort of. Syrup and oil mixed, so it's just like in the middle. That is so cool! So there's maple syrup at the bottom and oil, olive oil at the top.
Oh, okay. But I prefer anime.
Oh boy, oh I just spilled it. Oh.
Don't waste too much.
I'm not. Oh, this looks disgusting. Hey, that's pretty good.
Thank you.
Here you go. Okay, so the oil is right here. This is like the orange juice. And then the maple syrup is down here. You can tell that. Ignore the pizza. But look, it's like a little bubble of orange juice. Miles, pose for the camera.
Yeah.